The GEEZER AK96 mechanical gaming keyboard is designed for users who want a compact layout without giving up the convenience of a near full-size keyboard. With 96 keys, it keeps a broad selection of keys in a more space-conscious design, making it an interesting option for gaming, everyday typing, and general desktop use. The layout is particularly suited to anyone who wants more functionality than a smaller compact keyboard, while still preferring a cleaner footprint. One of the main features is the pre-lubed red switches. Red switches are generally associated with a smooth mechanical feel, while the pre-lubed design is intended to provide a more refined key movement. For users who enjoy mechanical keyboards but do not want to start with additional switch preparation, having the switches pre-lubed can make the keyboard more appealing straight out of the box. The product is also described as having clicky characteristics, so buyers should pay attention to the exact switch feel they prefer before choosing it. The colorful LED backlighting adds a visual element that can make the keyboard stand out on a gaming or desktop setup. It can also improve the overall appearance of the keys in lower light environments, although the available information does not specify particular lighting modes or customization options. That means it is better to view the backlighting as a built-in aesthetic feature rather than assume advanced lighting controls that are not listed. The 96 key configuration is arguably the most practical aspect of the AK96. It aims to provide a fuller keyboard experience while taking up less space than a traditional full-size arrangement. This can make sense for users who regularly work with a wide range of keys, but do not want an unnecessarily large keyboard taking over the desk. Overall, the GEEZER AK96 focuses on a useful combination of a 96-key layout, pre-lubed red mechanical switches, and colorful LED backlighting. It is best suited to someone looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard that balances functionality and a relatively compact design, while the switch characteristics and lack of detailed information about customization are worth considering before buying.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.